looking at cosine law. So we're asked to find our side x in centimeters. So we have our cosine law, x squared is equal to a squared plus b squared minus 2ab cos x, and this is going to be used to find uh, our side when we have a side angle triangle, or SAS, side angle side. So our angle, if you see, is nestled between our two. So we cannot use sine law because we do not have an angle and we don't know the opposite to it, right? So we can label our measurements here. So we have c squared is what we're looking for. I know a, the side opposite to a, is 10, so I have 10 squared, plus b, which is the side opposite to angle b, 6 squared, minus 2 times my b, which I know is 10. I know my a is 10. I know my b is 6, times my cos c, which is 35 degrees. That's the angle that they've given me. Now I can just solve this. So I have 100 plus 36 minus 120, 6 times 10 times negative 2, and minus 120 times my cos 30, minus 120 times cos 35. I'm going to multiply, right, using my Bedmas. So first I have multiply, so times that using my calculator, cos 35. So I have c squared is equal to 100 plus 36. We have minus 98.298245 and so on. 25, 825. Now I can add 136, which gives me 136 minus my 98.29825 approximately. So 136 minus answer there. And now I know c squared is equal to 98.29825. That's equal to 37.70175 approximately, that is. Find the square root of both, so I can isolate my x. X is equal to the square root of 37.7017. And c is equal to 6.140175079. And I know c is also just x, so I know x is equal to approximately 6.14017. So I was using cosine law.